In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned 100 Rand into 30,000 Rand as a teenager. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So my net worth currently is 30,000 Rand. In this video, we will explore how I turned 100 Rand into 30,000 Rand. Truth is, I lied. In this video, I'm not going to show you how I turned 100 Rand into 30,000 Rand. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I turned nothing into 30,000 Rand and how you can do the same. How this story starts is back in 2020, May 2020 to be exact, is when I started my YouTube channel. So I started my YouTube channel, I was making videos. Fast forward to August 2021. At this point, I was having my burnout, my YouTube burnout. I was done making, I was tired of making videos. So I had 2 months down the line, I hired someone to come work for me, Larry, which you all know him, and he started working for me, and he's been working from the 15th of October to the 15th of January. So December 2021, I took my YouTube revenue and I invested into assets. The assets which I invested in were a ring light, Samsung A20, which I'm currently filming on right now, and I sold my iPhone 6s. Then I bought a Logitech set. I bought it with a Xbox One S. Those are the assets which I bought in December alone. So let's calculate my assets. At the moment, my channel, the one which I'm filming on right now, is worth 13,416. My Logitech set is worth 5,000 Rand at this present moment. My Xbox One S is worth 4,000 Rand. My TikTok account for the Black Driver channel is worth 5,000 Rand. My ring light, which I bought in December also, is worth 900 Rand. My phone, which I bought in December, my Samsung A20, is worth 1,800 Rand at this present moment. So if we add all those costs up, it all amounts to 30,116. So at this present moment, I, dollar influencer, am worth 30,116. If I decide to sell all my assets, I will get 30,116. As a teenager, I'm 17. You might be 17, you might be 15, you might be 20 something, you might be 30 something. You are asking yourself, how can you do this? You can start a YouTube channel today, and basically in a few months or years, you could be where I'm at or even surpass me. The second way you can do this is making valuable videos. Making valuable videos will get you to a point whereby you are going to get monetized. Once you get monetized, you start making money from your videos, and then your channel's worth starts building. Thirdly, create a relationship with your subscribers and engage with your audience. By doing this, you are showing YouTube that you are actually capable of having a YouTube audience, and YouTube is going to give you that trust by actually having you on their algorithm and actually showing your videos to more and more people. So you actually commenting, talking, engaging with your subscribers is actually puts you at an advantage, and you could go viral because of that. The fourth way of doing this is knowing that this is not a sprint, this is a marathon. It could take you 1 month to blow up. For me, it took 8 months to blow up. It could take you anything from a few months to a few years for you to start making money on this platform. If it's not for you, if you decide along the way that this is not for me, then it's not for you. But be patient and know that this is not going to happen overnight. I'm not gonna start making money overnight. I'm at a net worth of 30K because I didn't give up. If I gave up on the first day, if I gave up in the first month, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now. The fifth way of doing this is keep on learning. You should know that even if you have 1 million subscribers, there are still some things which you don't know and which you can still learn from someone with 100K followers. With 100K subscribers, someone with 1,000 subscribers, I'm still learning from someone which has 1,000 subscribers, for example. So you might be asking yourself, why should you do this? First of all, you will enjoy what you are doing, because with YouTube, it's like a job, but the job, you are basically doing what you love. You are not being forced to do anything. you do everything at your specific time. You decide, you have your own working hours. You decide that now I want to work at 5 a.m. I want to work at 10 a.m. If you don't want to work, nobody's gonna force you to work. Secondly, you will get paid for what you are doing. You are going to get paid for making videos. Right now I'm sitting here and I'm making a video, and I'm going to get paid for doing this. So that's one of the advantages, which is why most people love doing this. Third reason why you should do this is you are going to be semi-famous. People might consider you their fans. People might know you around the world, not even around your country only, around the world. People right now with my other channel on TikTok, I have people who are inspired by what I do. So that just shows you at any age you can start doing this, and basically you get appreciated for the work you are actually doing. There are many reasons why you could be doing this or why you should be doing this, but those are the only reasons I'm going to mention in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure to click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you are actually the first to be notified. It's been your boy here, Dollar, signing out. Peace.